Hi guys, this is my second video from the channel Life Lessons, and today I will be talking about the admission process to the HEC Paris MBA program. I'm a recent graduate from the program and I wanted to share my experience of admissions with you guys. So the process basically starts with the GMAT examination. I got a score of 710, which is kind of an average for an Indian student, and applied for the program. I would suggest you guys to apply for the HEC program if you have a score of greater than equal to 700. The average score in HEC lies around the range of 695 to 700 and 705, but for Indian students is particularly high. So my suggestion is to apply if you have a score greater than 700. The second is the requirement for the English language, for which you have to give a test of TOEFL or IELTS. There is a catch here. You don't necessarily need to give this test, and the reason being that if you have your undergrad degree which is already in English language, you don't need to waste your 200 and 250 euros for giving the English language requirement test, and you can just directly give the GMAT application test and apply for the program. So the third process is basically writing your essays, writing your 5 essays. This is a very important step, and the admission committee is very particular about the 5 essays. They look for certain characteristics in these essays, and the selection of the candidates depends largely on it. Some of the things I noticed in these essays which could help you in developing your structure of the essays would be: number one, it's very important to highlight your international experience. If you have worked in cross-cultural teams, if you have worked in international environments, always highlight that. That's a big plus. Secondly, be very honest with your essays. Don't make some stories and don't write fake stuff. Be very particular and very honest about your essays, and that will also help you. And the admission committee is very apt in identifying the difference between a truth and a lie. Third is, highlight your professional career achievements which you have been achieved in the last few years. It's very important that you state it very clearly that you are a very high caliber student and you have achieved these many things in the past, and it definitely adds a lot of value. So I think these are the 3 most important tips which I would like to give you regarding the essays. The third part is basically letter of recommendations. You need to submit 2 LORs for the completing your admission process, and I would suggest you that take LORs from people with whom you have worked for a substantial amount of time. And if you can take an LOR from someone with whom you have worked internationally and who was your direct boss, that's amazing, because that person is in the right position to give you a very detailed and meticulous feedback about your performance, and that really helps a lot. So once the package of these 3 things is combined, the GMAT, the essays and the LORs, you submit your application and then you get invited for the round of interviews. There are 2 rounds of interviews which happen with HEC Paris alumni, and you are challenged on 2 aspects. One is you have to prepare a 10-minute short presentation, could be in a form of PowerPoint, Tableau and any other dashboard you want to present, and it has to include something very creative and which has not been included in your CV or in your essays. So try to be very creative about it, and then you have to explain it to the alumni in that interview call. Then there is some cross questioning on those on the topic which you prepare. The second part is some basic questions regarding why do you want to do the MBA, and some of the questions which I think you should definitely prepare are first, why HEC Paris MBA, secondly, why Europe, third, why MBA and why at this point of time, and fourth, what makes you a good candidate and what value will you add to this MBA program. So I think overall that's the overall 5-week process, and it's a very quick process given by HEC Paris. And all the best for applying. In case you have any questions, please comment below and I would be happy to help you. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Cheers.